Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So let's start today's POTD. So today's TFG POTD is about remove every kth node. Now let's see how can we solve this particular problem. So the problem has asked us to remove every kth node. My kth node here is 2. This is my linked list. So we have to remove every second node. At first, this is my second node, 2 is my second node. Remove this. After removing this 2, what is the second node we are getting? It is 4. 3 was my first node after removing 2 and 4 becomes my second node after removing 2. So let's remove this 4. After removing 4, what is the second most node? It is 6. Let's remove 6. What is the second most node after removing 6? It is 8. Let's remove this. So after deleting all the second node, every second node, this is the output we will be getting. Now let's see how can we solve this particular problem. So we will use two pointers. One is prev, which denotes my previous node, and another pointer will be cur, which will be denoting my current node. So let's initialize this first. Let's initialize my previous to 0 and current 200 to our head node. My head node is now pointing to 100. So my current node, if initialized to head, it becomes 100. And my count is initialized to 1. Now we will check for a condition. While traversing the whole linked list, we will check for this condition. Is my count divisible by k or not? What to do if it is divisible by k and what not to do if it is not divisible by k? Let's see that. So let's see. Is my 1 divisible by 2? No, it is not. So moving to my else part. What I will do, I will make my previous updated. I will update this previous 200 to my current and I will update my current with the next pointer of my current, that is 200. Earlier my current was pointing to 100. Now what is the next pointer here? It is 200. If I update my current to the next of current, it now points to the node at 200 and my previous is pointing to 100. So what did we do? We updated our previous to current and we have updated our cur to the next of our cur to the next of our current node. So this is our else part. Now after this, what we will do, we will increment our count. So now my counter becomes 2. Now let's check again for this condition. Is my count divisible by k? That is 2. Count is 2, k is 2. Is it divisible? Yes, it is. Then what? If it is divisible, then what? We will update our next pointer of our previous to the next pointer of our current node. My next is pointing to 300. Okay, let's update this. Why? Because we need to delete this. To delete this, we have to keep the address here in this previous here, right? Okay, now what? We have updated our next pointer here to 300. So this node is now pointing to the node at 300. Fine. This link is then broken. Now this is no more pointing to 200. Rather, it is now updated to 300. So it is pointing to 300. Fine. Now what? Now we need to update this value. The next of this is still pointing to 300. So let's update this. What we will do? We will update this next to null. If we make this null, then this link is also broken. Now this is no longer pointing to here, this node. So this link is broken. This link is broken. So this node has been deleted successfully. But wait, my current is still pointing to 200. So I have to make this current point to 300. So to make this current point to 300, what can I do? See, my previous is now pointing to 300. Can I make this curve equals to prev of next? Then it will point to the node at 300. Okay. So let's summarize what we have done so far. If it is divisible, what we have done? We have updated our next to the cur of next. This was earlier 300. We have updated this value. Okay, so prev next equals to cur next. So this is done. Now what? This link is broken. Now the next step that we had done is we broke this link also. To break this link, what have we done? We have updated our cur next to null. Fine. This cur next was made null. So this link was broken. This link was broken. So this node was removed. Now what? Now we need to point this cur to our next node. That is the node at 300. So to point this curve node, point at 300. We will do prev of next, because my next prev of next is storing the address of this node. Okay. So now the counter will be incremented again. Counter gets incremented. It becomes 3. Is my 3 divisible by k? No. Then else part. Let's keep our prev here. It was earlier 100. My curve was 300. Earlier, I'm talking about previously. Okay. So so now my prev will become 100. If my prev becomes 100, it will be, if my prev becomes cur, it will be 300, because now my cur is 300. Fine. So my prev now points to here, and now my cur becomes cur of next. What is cur of next? It is 400. So my cur will now point to here. Fine. Now my cur becomes 400. Now what? We will increment our counter, increment this counter to 4. Is my 4 divisible by k? Yes, it is divisible by k. So what? These things will occur. Prev next. What is my prev next? This is 400. 400 becomes cur of next. Cur of next is 500. So update this. Now my cur of next becomes null. This link was broken. Now I have to break this link. To break this link, cur of next will be updated to 0. This becomes 0. Now my cur will get updated to 500. To update this to 500, what we will do? We will do prev of next. So now my cur becomes 500. Fine. It now points to 500. Okay. Again my counter gets incremented. It becomes 5. Is my 5 divisible by k? No, it is not. So my prev becomes 500. My cur becomes cur of next. What is cur of next? My previous becomes 500. My cur of next becomes, what is cur of next? It is 600. So my cur becomes 600. Okay. Now my cur is pointing to 600. Counter is incremented, so it becomes 6. Is 6 divisible by k? Yes, it is divisible by k. So what to do now? My previous is now pointing to 500. So what is the next? It is 600. Make this cur next. It will become 700, because cur next is now 700. This link is broken. Update this cur next to null. To break this link is broken. This node has been deleted. Now move my cur to 700. Okay, now my cur is pointing to 700. And my counter gets increment to 7. Is my 7 divisible by k? No, it is not divisible by k. So what next? My prev becomes cur, that is 700. My cur becomes cur next. What is cur next? It is 800. So now my cur points to 800. My prev points to 700. So cur becomes 800. And increment this count. It becomes 8. So is 8 divisible by k? Yes, it is divisible by k. So what next? Update my prev next to cur next. What is cur next? It is 0. Cur next to 0. Cur next is already 0. And my cur to previous of next. So my cur becomes null. And my counter is incremented to 9 now. Fine. Since my cur is now null, since my cur is now pointing to null, so our traversal will end here. So let's see how can we code this particular problem. If my head equals to null, what does this mean? It means that my linked list is empty, then no operation will be performed. Return a null. If my k equals to null, what it will become? Again, if my k equals to null, what does this denote? It implies that if I want to delete every first node, then there will be no node left in the linked list. So I will return a null value, which indicates that every node has been deleted. So return a null. Now start traversal. Let's check a condition. Okay. Initialize our pointer prev to null. Initialize my pointer cur to head node. And initialize my counter to 1. Now if my C counter is divisible by k, then what? My prev next becomes cur next, and my cur next becomes null, and my cur equals to prev next. If this does not apply, if my this condition is not divisible by k, then what? My prev becomes cur, and we will head to our next current node. At last, we will increment our counter, return the head, compile and run. Okay, k was not declared. Oh, let's compile and run. So we are getting correct output. Now let's submit. So the problem has been solved successfully. Now let's end the video here. But before that, do subscribe the channel to get similar content, as gaining a subscriber and a like in my video does motivates me a lot to be consistent and create more such content. So do subscribe, like and share with your friends. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks a lot for watching. See you guys again tomorrow.